Akshata here. Well, I've got a big request from many of my subscribers and viewers to show me a view of my kitchen. So, since I have done a little bit of cleaning for this Diwali, so I said let me just show you my kitchen. So, this is a small view of the kitchen. Well, we got these cabinets made about 4 years ago. We have a very good carpenter, and this is actual walnut wood which we used. It's amazing, the wood is amazing. We haven't had any problem with our furniture, touch wood. And that's my Elica gas stove, which is so amazing. Put the lights on and show you. That's where I do all my cooking, for all my videos. Well, we had renovated our place about 4 years ago. Well, this is a little bit of my spice cabinet where I keep all my spices. As you can see, they're all labeled, so when I'm cooking it's very easy for me to find the stuff that I require. Also, what I've done is I've put green labels on the powdered masalas, and I've put orange on the rest of them. For example, this is like cumin, and then you have one which has the cumin powder on it like this. So when I need something really urgently, I just know, okay, this is what I pick up, and I keep it in such a way, in such a place that I just know, okay, my cumin is here, my garam masala is here. So that really makes cooking much more fun and easy. And this is the other cabinet in which all my other spices are all kept. The actual packets are emptied, and then I empty them into the smaller bottles, which are much easier to use. Then this is all my glass cabinet with all my cups and my glasses. And like I said, I clean these glasses with a solution of half vinegar and half water. Just put it into a spray bottle, any of a reusable bottle or spray bottle, wash it well, and then fill it up with half vinegar and half water, and then you just spray it onto the glass, give it a wipe, and then use some newspaper and just go over it. It really brings out a shine in the glass, and it really looks good. Well, in this cabinet also I have some of the small little pots. There I have all my microwave stuff. Then here too are some plates and some small little bit of cups. This pantry of mine, I'd already shown you in one of the videos before. I've organized it so it's very easy for me to find everything. This is of course a nice way to keep all my packet holders. Somebody asked me what are those packet holders, so I said let me show you. It's basically these things, like when you open up a packet and you want to just use a little bit of it, you just close it up with this. And I really love these baskets. They make the pantry look so nice and colorful. Here in my drawers I have all my cutlery organized. Of course now it's a little bit of a mess, but if you have compartments like this to keep stuff, it's very easy, like forks here, then teaspoons here, tablespoons here. Then in my second drawer I have all these bowls which I require, and of course this is the lovely spice box which you find in most Indian homes. Let me just open it. So these are the spices that we use for most of our vegetables, so it's like it's very easily accessible. So you have all your powders and masalas at a ready in one place. And then here we have my oil, my tea and my sugar, my clarified butter, my salt, all very accessible and close to my gas stop. So when I'm cooking, everything is very easily reachable. This is my microwave, my fridge. And this is the other platform, which is a little bit of a mess at the moment, because now I got a question from one of my viewers as to why do I have two of these vessel holders. Locally we call them sanchis. Well, we have one which is a steel one or a silver one, and the other one is a brass one. And the reason is we use two of them. This is used for all our cooking, picking up all vessels, but this is exclusively used for our milk vessel. And this was started by my husband's grandmother. She had started this system, and I was so fascinated, by learning about this. The reason being that, milk is very sensitive. So if anything goes into the milk when you're boiling it or using it, it can spoil, and the milk, you just have to throw all of the milk away. So by using this is exclusively for your milk vessel. So in this way you're already taking care of the milk, that nothing goes into the milk and the milk doesn't spoil. So that is the reason. I hope I answered your question well. We have two of these vessel holders. So this is my little kitchen. I love my kitchen, and I hope you like this small little tour of it. This is Akshata saying bye until another video. Take care. And this is my kitchen as of today in 2024. So I haven't changed a lot of things, except of course for the washing machine, the AquaGuard, and the fridge and the microwave. So this is my new microwave. It's a convection, so I can bake in it, but I like to bake in my OTG. I'm more comfortable with it. And this is the new fridge. It's amazing. Lots of storage inside, and you can change the freezer into the fridge into the freezer. And now I've got rid of all my plasticware. I just use steel and glass to store all my ingredients in. I've completely got rid of plastic in my kitchen as much as I can. And this is a new find. I'd gone to IKEA recently and I got this bottle brush, and it's just amazing. It cleans up the bottles so well. And this is how I clean my gas stop. I clean it every morning or sometime at night if I have the energy, but mostly when I get up in the morning. Sometimes I give it a good scrub with soap and water, but right now I have this other spray that I use. I'll leave the name of the spray in the link below. So I clean it, and then I with a cloth and buffer it up, and I clean it my platform also with the same liquid. So I'll leave the name of the what I use in the description box below. And then of course this is my where the AquaGuard is. We upgraded our AquaGuard also. It's super fast. And then I keep my laundry stuff also here. And that's the bottle actually with the orange one. I'll leave the link. And because my washing machine is in the kitchen, the front load, so I keep all my stuff over there. And this is a old video of the view of my kitchen in the night. My kitchen tour. I got many requests to show me how it looks with the lights on in the evening time. So here it is with all the lights on in the evening. These are the cabinet lights. We have put these LED ones. That of course is the Elika light. And I also have many questions on this, whether I have painted it. No, I haven't. These are the tiles. They're actually 4 tiles. If you look at them, they're like 4 tiles which make the pattern. And we also got these mini tiles with the same pattern. So we have put them, at intervals. Like here. I have one near my sink and one more here. So this is the view of the kitchen. This is the other side. Actually, it looks very cozy and comfy.